Hello everybody, today I have an HVAC video for all of you. This particular video is going to be a March 2024 startup of my 2019 Carrier Performance Series 80% gas efficient furnace. Now, before we get to everything, let's make sure that everything is working properly. Here we have our vacuum switches, which is determined to see whether or not pressure is present in the heat exchanger, thanks to the draft inducer fan motor, which is to my right. That's the next component. It's running freely. Ball bearings seem to be in good shape. Here's our gas valve. Seems to be in good shape. Right over here is our flue pipe, along with a high temperature limit switch. That's to determine whether or not the temperature is hot enough for the switch to trip. Right over here, we have our gas burners, 5 of them as usual. A flame sensor to our right, and our hot surface igniter to the left. So, I don't think there's anything else in mind other than the fact that the draft inducer fan motor has a pretty awesome sound when it turns on. So, I guess it is time to turn on this furnace for the first time this month. There we go, guys. First time of the furnace turning on for the first time this month. Everything seems to be in good shape. Draft inducer motor is doing its thing. Flames are looking pretty good. I don't know if you saw from last month when I did the video of this furnace, you may notice a little red burn mark on the flame rod. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we'll see. But yep, there you go. So anywho, hope you enjoyed this video of my furnace turning on for the first time for the month of March. And hope you guys enjoyed the commentary, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, rate, and of course subscribe to the channel for some more content. And thank you all very much for watching.